Hi all, and welcome to another NetSuite video. Today we're going to be talking briefly about subsidiary and what that means. On NetSuite there are quite a lot of different subsidiaries. These are mainly split up across your country of origin or location. This is just a simple way for the system to know where you are and what country you are working from. The main ones are obviously, UK, Sweden, the Nordics, and I do believe we have Canada and India as well. But if you're working in Beyond Retro retail, the main ones are definitely going to be BRL for the UK, TFA for Sweden, and Kusha there for Finland. This really only comes into play if you're going to be moving stock around or changing stock locations within your country. So to have a quick look at that, obviously bank and vogue tab, and if we quickly go onto a transfer order, we can see that every time that you start to move any stock around, it's always going to ask you here for what subsidiary you are from. And here you obviously need to type in your code. BRL obviously stands for Beyond Retro Limited. That's what we use here in the UK as an example. And TFA, the Fashion Archive, is what's primarily used there in Sweden. And as you can see here, Kusha is obviously going to be for the new Finland part of the business. What this does is when you do type in your subsidiary and select, what it will stop you from doing here is accessing any other source location that's outside of your country. So as you can see here, we've typed in the UK BRL, and if I do try to type in zinc, as you can see here, it won't let me select that Swedish store, and vice versa. So importantly to know where you're working and what subsidiary you are. If you don't know this, just please ask operations manager and they will let you know what your designated code is there for the subsidiary for your country. And it's as simple as that. Thanks, team.